Hey, we got a cat. What's up, Wally? What? We got a cat.
Yes, he do too. He come from you. Huh?
We got a cat.
Yeah, he's going in white race now. Say what you want to say.
That cat is not ours. It's hanging over you somewhere.
Try to down like they're down there. White people do.
Wally, say hey to YouTube. Wally, say hey to YouTube.
I ain't saying here nothing. You get that cat out of here.
No.
Take a picture of your cat.
I can't. Okay.
Yes, she gonna make it.
I think she's gonna get that.
She get them first 4 years. I say that.
Yeah, I think she's gonna get that.
Yeah,
She
sit.
get
Cat.
them first 4 years, but she better
Say me
She
out.
better be doing the right thing now.
Cat, say me out.
Cause
Say me
they
out.
gonna get somebody. They gonna get the Republic gonna get. They gonna get somebody to run against this guy. It won't be Donald Trump. That Trump had made that for a while now. Huh?
Cat,
Things start
what's up?
talking stupid.
What's up, cat?
Yeah.
Cat, hit the foes. Hit the
He
foes.
should have Obama stop.
Cat, stop looking at me like I'm your dad.
99%. You feel less about that? Oh, that was the comments really
He speaks Spanish. He come from the Spanish people too. Yeah, but his great grandfather or something like that.
Okay, guys, so
Something.
wait right back. Guys, so let's try to hit. Let's try to hit 1 like and that's it. All 1 like. Forget what you heard. This is not glass. Y'all see what happened to the doors. What did y'all do? I didn't do nothing. Bye. See y'all. I got a freaking Rowdy Jefferson white skirt. That's some oil. I'ma drop you in depth. Oh, I'm just kidding. I want to drop you in there. This video is 2 minutes now. It'll freeze on them. Forget what you heard, cat. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey. Yo, okay, I'm getting away from that cat. I don't know what he got. Say hey, buddy. Say hey. What? Say hey. Oh, get away from me. Say hey. Guys, I'm just putting the camera up close. I'm not really getting up close to this cat. Say hey to YouTube, little kid. Whoa! Stop walking towards me. Break 1. Oh shoot, that's a tractor, not a dirt bike. Look at our kitty. Cute ass can be. Kitty cat. I walk through the middle of the golf.
You had to come in there with $100,000 cash, money. Mama walked in with a briefcase.
The cat actually following mine. Hey, say hey. I'm not getting close to this cat. I'm just zooming in. Hey, cat. Sit. Stay. Okay, what you heard? Oh, I gotta end the video. Okay, guys. So, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big fat thumbs up. Also, if this haven't been the first video seen by me, then please do consider subscribing. I'm just kidding. Please do subscribe. Done and peace.